Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of me removing this shit. So I am pretty bloody and sticky, and I honestly don't even know where to begin because my hair is starting to dry on the blood. Oh my god, it's like stuck between, oh, it's a crime scene down there, I'll tell you. Oh my god. Hi. Oh, we have a visitor. Say hello. He's been wanting to climb up here this whole time, but there's so much blood everywhere. I just couldn't allow him to. Here's your moment of fame, boy. So, yeah. Is it good? Having a good time? Oh, you just want to sit down over there, but I cannot have you. Cannot have you sitting over there, boy. Down. Okay, so this is my plan of action for this. I have my scissors and I plan to just snip these. Oh god, I love these scissors because they have a neat little hook, so you can hook things. It's really nice. Perfect for this. Oh, this makeup is gross. It like grosses me out. Like, this is sick. Demonetized 100%. So I think if I just cut these all and maybe not cut my hair. Oh my god. Ugh, and this fake blood got in my eye and in these contacts too, which I should probably take these out right now, actually, is what I should do. Ew, all these strands. My hands are so dirty though, I feel like I can't take these out. Ugh. Ew. Okay, all of this on my neck too needs to go. Oh man. Ew. Before I filmed this, my sister made homemade cider, which she's been making for a while, like 2 months, I think. Anyway, I had a glass of it before I filmed this, and it had me feeling good, feeling top notch. Oh, I told her to like, she always like ferments things and whatnot. I don't know if you guys watch like the Bon Appetit channel, but Brad, he always like ferments things as well. And I say, Marina, you need to start a YouTube channel and ferment things. People care about that. It's so gross. Oh my god. Ew, 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 ew. Oh. Ew. Oh my god, it's like, hi boy. Oh man, I really can't have you here right now. This is very stressful for me. Oh my god, ew. Oh. See, this is why I do this, because this is the side of things that no one sees. Oh. Okay, you can sit there, but you have to be good, okay? You gotta be a good boy. You always are a good boy. You have to be extra special good boy today, though. Just like, go away. There we go. Oh my god, this is like pulling my hair. I don't even know. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god, there's still one that's attached. Maybe that's why. Oh, ew. No. Oh, that's such a gross feeling. It's like cold and wet against my neck. Oh my god. No. No. Ah. Ooh. Ripped out a legit chunk of hair. Do you guys see that? Like a chunk of hair. Okay, boy, you moved my mirror, and I can't have you moving my mirror, my little king. Oh god. Ew. This is freaking me out. Oh my god. Ew. Ow. I'm so glad I chose to do this with latex. I was gonna maybe do like Pros-Aid, but like, okay, no, he like wants this so badly. It's not a toy. If you cannot behave, then you must exit. Oh, is that all the string gone? Oh, thank God. Where's my headband now? I can pin this back somehow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh, this is awful. Oh, this is awful. Okay. Let's get this off now. This latex. Kleenex-ish. Guys, I really want another cat. As I'm like annoyed that this cat is like in my business. But like I really want another one so badly. Ooh, this is a good peel. I just feel like I just want one, but I can't. My apartment will not allow it. Ugh. But I want one so bad. I had 3 cats once in Toronto. I adopted a little kitty called Black. She was black and I named her Black because it was Baby Boy and Black. And people would always laugh. Be like, oh, what your cat's name's like Baby Boy and Black? It was just like funny because it's just like so generic and unoriginal. Which is funny because it's like the opposite of me. Wow, I look nice. So I always thought it was funny. But she was just a terror. Like she was actually an awful cat. And I think I had her for like, I think I got her in November 2016 and then I moved in May or April. So I had her for 5 months. And then I gave her back to the Humane Society or the Toronto Animal Shelter. I had to pay to give her back too, because like you donate. It's like a mandatory donation of $100 to give her back to like pay for food and whatnot, which is fine. I'm fine with that. I hope she got a good home. She was like cute when she was a kitten and like cuddly, like at the shelter, but as soon as I brought her home, she was just like a terrorist. She would just like randomly bite things. Like she would just bite baby's tail. And I don't want a cat that just bites baby's tail. Like baby's a sweetie. That's good right there. Boy, if you think you're gonna play with this, you got another thing coming. I also have tucked into my bra, I just have a towel here to like collect things. So that's what we're working with down there. Ew, this is like cold and wet. Ew, this is like the first makeup that's actually like grossing me out. Also, my hands are absolutely nasty. I don't know if I can remove this. Let's just. I don't know where to go from here. What is that? Oh no. It's because this is such a thin layer. I only did like 1 layer on my neck. It's easier to, the more layers of latex you have, the easier it is to remove. And when it's 1 layer, it's just like, there's so many little edges because there might be gaps between, you know? And that's when I think like people are like, oh, latex hurts to remove. Because typically I'll do more than 1 layer. So like now this is like, fuck, man. Oh my God. I also literally can't see. Something is wrong with this eyeball where contacts don't sit in the center. It's like off to the side. So like the edge of the contact covers my, that hurts, covers my pupil. So it's like blurry. Like I can't see on this side. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me see if I can zoom in for you. Do you see that on my eye? It's like off. It like doesn't, like this one's fine. Anyway, it doesn't matter anyway. Do. I don't know if I can remove much more of this. I think I have to get into the shower because this is just like awful. Awful, awful. I'm gonna take some micellar water. Hello? And I'm just gonna try and rub this. Vince, you're texting me. Oh, there, it's removing. See, as soon as water hits latex, it just comes. Oh, that's the piece that hurt. Bitch, that hurt. This is why like latex sucks for like actual Halloween looks, because if you're sweating or anything, you have to do more than one layer. Sir. Ew, this is gross. Okay, I think that's like pretty much all I can do. Hey, you bite that. That's not for you. You get out of here. That's all I can remove here, I think. I need to get into the shower. Or maybe I can remove a little bit more. This is just like the roughest removal ever. Oh, I forgot that that was there. Oh Lord, have mercy on my soul. If my skin, oh my God, my skin's gonna be stained red. That's fine. I have nothing to do but sleep tonight. Oh my God. Okay. That's as good as it's gonna get. So I will see you guys in my next video, tomorrow's video. Hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe if you want to subscribe if you want more.